Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing from Diamond Art Club, and it's called Autumn Glory. I figured we'd do a landscape. It's been a while. I think it was like a month ago that I did a landscape. And of course I fell in love with this one. This was called Autumn Glory by Abraham Hunter, and it comes in this beautiful box. It's a square, and here it says scan me and you can unlock 10% off. And in the back, the kit, it tells you what's in the kit and the instructions step by step. So let's open this baby up. Okay, so we've got the toolkit, the sticker, and it always comes with 2 stickers. Okay, let's put that box over there. Let's put that aside. Let's open up the toolkit very quickly. I actually cut my nails because it was too long and they were getting in my way. Oh, I know. Okay, calm down, Sylvia. All right, so it comes with the resealable bags. It comes with a gray pen or black gray, and it comes with a grip, which is black. Got the tweezers, very sharp tweezers. I love the tweezers. And it comes with this beautiful, look at this little washi tape. It's a little cloud. Is that not the cutest little thing? Look at that. She's got a little bow and she's got little cheeks. Very pretty. And then look at the washi tape. That's very nice washi tape. That's got little pink flowers. Oops, right there. Isn't that pretty? Yep. Okay, and then it's got 2 placers. It's got the tray. And yeah, the wax. And the wax always comes in this beautiful heart-shaped container. I believe there's 2 waxes in there. Okay, so let's put everything in here. Move it to the side. And like I mentioned before, it comes with this little sticker. Excuse me, I'm losing my voice there. I put this little sticker underneath my box, so when I have my boxes one on top of the other, it's easier to know what's in that box because I can see the picture. Okay, so the canvas always comes in a plastic bag to protect it when it's traveling, and if you're traveling, you can actually put it back in the bag. That way it doesn't get dirty. Okay. I keep the plastic with it. Let's get the drills out of the way. Here we have, it always comes with this thank you for your purchase. What's in the kit, tips and tricks. Okay, and step-by-step instructions. There goes the thank you 10 for your next purchase. And you download our app and start celebrating your masterpiece today. 20% off on your first purchase through the app. Okay, and this is the other sticker. Okay, so it shows you the picture. Autumn Glory by Abraham Hunter. You write down the start date, the end date, and then you put this in your logbook. And it's got the the pre-cut stickers. They're already pre-cut for you, and you put them in the on your containers that you're going to use. Looks like it's got 49 colors. Okay, these are all the drills. What I love about this now is that they put a sticker with a name on it, so if you separate, like I do, I separate the drills. I put these in a basket, and when I'm going to work on this painting, I know exactly which drills go with that painting. Okay, so that comes in handy. All right, so the canvas is wonderful, guys. It's a velvety soft canvas. I believe it's made out of velvet tarpaulin. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, and that helps to keep the canvas smooth, and it helps with the wrinkles. Okay. And they also use glue and ink that's 100% toxin free, which is excellent. Okay, so let's open this baby up. Oh my gosh, love the colors already. All right, at the bottom, it just says DAC Autumn Glory. It tells you it's 28 inches by 22 inches, 70.7 centimeters by 55.8 centimeters, and it's a license artwork by Diamond Art Club. Okay, and then it's got the legend on the left hand side on the top, and it also has it on the right hand side on the bottom. Okay, and then you also have down here in the middle, just basically what I said before, you take 10% off your next order. And then over here, your canvas comes with a lifetime warranty and a free missing diamonds protection from Diamond Art Club. Awesome. Okay guys, so, and also at the top right here, it always has this on the top, Do What Makes You Sparkle by Diamond Art Club. And it's got a big diamond right there. Okay, this beautiful, beautiful artwork by Abraham Hunter. Before I forget, Abraham also has some other paintings that he sells in Diamond Art Club, and I wrote it down. I think he's got 19 paintings in all, and one of them is Weekend in Paradise, like Father Like Son. Is the one with the lion, the dad and the baby lion, and it's got also, he also has a mystery kit number 4, which is also of course a landscape, and I think another one's called Christmas Home. He's got 19 paintings. Well, from Diamond Art Club. Okay, so let's look at the legend. It tells you how many colors. So let's see, move this down so you can see it better. So it tells you it has 49 colors. In the middle is the symbols. The symbols is what you find on your painting, and the color code is the DMC numbers. So 108, 130, 133, 141. These are all ABs. So it's got 4 ABs. All right. So in total, it basically has 45 plus 4 ABs equals 49. All right, so let's look at this beautiful painting. When I saw this painting, guys, I mean, first of all, it is breathtaking, okay? It reminds me, the reason I bought it, because it reminds me of New York. I'm originally from New York. It reminds me of New York during the fall when the leaves are changing. Going through the process, and they change colors from green to red to brown to yellow. So I just love it. Look at this. Look at how beautiful this tree is here. It's red, and then you have these here in the background. It's like yellow and orange, and then over here you have all these over here. So you got brown, orange, yellow. They're all changing colors, and then they turn brown, and then all the leaves drop. Got the tree, the bark, which is beautiful. Then you've got flowers. I believe these are flowers, and let's not forget the beautiful waterfall. Look at this, guys. It's just, like I said, it's breathtaking. If you look at the picture, let's see if I can, look at that. It's gorgeous. I love it. Okay, so let's see. Let me bring it up so you can see how clear it is. Let's see. I'm trying to see. I don't know if you can see that, but it's very, 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 very clear, guys. And look how red that tree is. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, let's see if it's sticky. Very shiny and very sticky. Wonderful. Okay. So let's move this over here so we can take a look at the beautiful colors, the drill. And that painting, you know what I also love about it? It also just feels like home. It's peaceful, but at the same time, it's vibrant with all those colors. Anyway, okay. So I'm gonna open them, lay them out, and I'll be back. Okay, let us begin. 166, very pretty green. I think you can see it from there. 168, it's a light gray. 300, brown. 301, a lighter brown. 317 is a gray. 318, it's just another lighter gray. 321, very pretty red. Looks like a red. 353, there's 2 of these. It's like a peachy color. Okay, let's do the 400s. 400 is another brown. 402, very pretty. 413, it's a gray. 414, another gray. 420, it's like a very light brown. 453, a light gray. 469, a green. And 498, it's like a reddish pink. And then this is 606, it's like a very pretty orange. 645 is a gray. And 666 is a red. Okay. 720, there's two of these. It's a very pretty brown orange. Love that color. 740, oops. 740, you have two packets. So that's an orange, very pretty orange, like a brighter than that one. And 741, another orange. And 742 is like it's like a yellow orange. Wow. And then 832, it's like a green. And 898 is a brown, like a chocolate brown. Let's do the 900s. 939 is like a very dark green. 935, another green, the green family. 936, another green. 937, another green. 938, it's another dark chocolate brown. 951 is like a off-white, beige. And 995, I guess I can do another row. It's a blue. So far, if you look at it, we have lots of oranges, lots of browns, and lots of gray. I think the gray is for the trees, the bark of the tree, and the rest is like for the leaves. Okay. 3371, there's two of these. This is a really dark chocolate. Okay, let's see. I don't know. I think we have space for a little bit more. 3705, 3706, 3752, very pretty blue. Okay, let me move these now out of the way because we don't have any space here. Absolutely beautiful fall colors. This one is 3753. It's like a very light blue. 3770, off-white. 3776 in the brown orange family. 3781, it's like a brown. 3787, gray. And 3799 is also a gray. Move these a little bit more over here. This one's 3801. It's like a, I don't know, orange. 3826, brown. And 3856, and that is the last of these colors. Now, these are the ABs, guys. So we have 4 ABs. So this is 108. This is absolutely beautiful green color. Very, very shiny because, of course, it's an AB. 130, another beautiful yellow. Well, you got the green and the yellow. 133 is the orange. And 141 is the white. So let's look at the painting. And let's look for these ABs in the painting. Okay. So if you look at the legend, well, we could look at it here also using the sticker. Number 1 is 108. So wherever we see number 1, and it's green. So number 1. Okay. So number 1 looks like it's everywhere. See, you see 1 here. I believe that is, let me look at the picture again. Yeah, it looks like it's like moss, maybe, or grass on the rocks. You have grass and moss. It's sort of everywhere. All the way down here on the other side, lots of 1. So that's going to be really, really pretty. Okay, so then the next one is 130, and that's the yellow, and that's symbol number 2. And nothing down here. Actually, you see 3 here. And then the rest, it looks like it's all the way on the yellow. Up here on the leaves on the trees. And all the way on the ends of this tree. the yellow. Oh my gosh, that's gonna look beautiful, guys. Absolutely stunning. This is 133, symbol 3. Let's see, where is the orange? There's just so much orange. And of course I can't find the 3. Is it down here? Okay, looks like it's, yep. It's down here. You have 3s here, over here, and no, not there. So it's mostly on this side. It's just sprinkled. Okay, looks like on the plants or flowers. And then the last one is 141, and that would be number 4, and that's going to be the water. Is it on the sky too? No, it's going to be the water. So which is going to look beautiful because the water is going to be sparkling. And that's about it, guys. I absolutely love this. Is breathtaking. I believe right now it's out of stock, but if you I think sign up, and you sign up on your email, and they will let you know, they will contact you when it's back in stock. That's about it. So thank you very much, and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the day. Bye bye.